What is the important point we should know? Let us remember Mahaavatar Babaji. Before that, Krishna Bhagavan gave teaching, all teaching to Arjuna with this, that if you follow what I say, your all problem will disappear. Same thing Mahaavatar Baba, when he was imparting Kriya Yoga to Lahiri Maharshi, then he gave the same message. This Kriya Yoga will save you. This is the same knowledge what was given by Krishna to Arjuna. The Kriya Yoga what Lahiri Maharshi got from Mahaavatar Babaji. Same thing was taught by Swami Yukteswar, Paramahansa Yogananda. Exactly same thing you are learning here. Because what is the important point? If you are having stress and tension and problem, then try to be with Kriya Yoga. Any kind of problem, any kind of stress. If you have more cold, you need more sweater and blanket. In the same way, if you have problem of any kind of problem, try to hold Kriya Yoga more and more. Because Lahiri Maharshi said that Mahaavatar Baba very clearly, he made him realize that it is able to solve all problems. Whatever problems we have, you start practicing it. During practice, if you have devotion in practice, you will find absence of problem. The moment you will leave it, immediately problem will appear. But I want to get rid of problems permanently. Then keep on learning Kriya Yoga more and more. More and more, what does it mean? Try to learn more and more until you experience this knowledge that eternal element is only one. That eternal element has become all. That eternal element has become all. Moment you know it, then how to prove that we know it? Then you will be able to manifest yourself in any form. You are sitting in the form of human being, at the same time you can transform yourself in the form of water to quench the thirst of anyone. You transform yourself in the form of fruits and whatever food material anybody want. Therefore, the moment you have perfect oneness with the Kriya Yoga, you will be able to do anything. The moment you will be able to do anything, you will never reveal this fact. This is very important to understand. Okay, if I leave Kriya Yoga in middle, again you will find all problems will appear. Let us try to think in this way. If you have to become expert in surgery, you want to be expert in cardiology, you want to learn how to operate and how to remove problems of the heart, okay, all right. You are under medical course. Everybody is knowing that you are medical student. You are learning surgery and medicine, everything. But during that period, you cannot operate because you have not become expert. Therefore, problem of ignorance, not able to operate, will be removed. Will be removed when you will become expert surgeon. Then you can operate upon heart. But still, if you become expert, still you need fellowship, like anesthesia expert, some other assistant, some side surgeon. Without that you cannot operate. Okay, all right. Think in the same way. You are having ignorance, not knowing surgery and ready to operate is called dangerous. In the same way, if you are being ignorant stage, we are not doing this and that, then practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely, it will remove all kind of problems. But when you are having complete oneness with the Kriya Yoga, if you live in middle, then again you will have the problem. If you are learning surgery, medical, engineering, anything, if you leave education in middle, then you will realize you are stuck. Again, all problems will come. One more example will be nice to give you. Suppose that you go from one place to the long place and you need reservation in the train, or you need a flight. Let us think that it is very essential to reach New York as early as possible, but you have no air ticket, you have no visa to go, but you are trying it. But it is very important to reach New York. The moment you get a visa, you get ticket, you are sitting the flight in your seat, you will find just joy as you have reached New York. Though you are in the middle of the journey, the moment now you have cancelled your journey, you are not going, you are coming out of the flight, again you will get stress. Exactly in the same way, though we have not reached the complete realization of Kriya Yoga, if you are learning constantly with all devotion, during the devoted practice of Kriya Yoga, you will never find any kind of problems will come. Moment you leave practice, you will find all problems starts appearing immediately. Instant, spontaneous manifestation of problem we will realize. Therefore, never leave practice. Have devoted practice every day. Then practice more and more till you reach to the stage that you have got the knowledge and power how to manifest yourself in the form of any creation and how to undo it. How to become mountain, how to become a sky, how to become galaxies, at the same time how to remain in this human form. The moment you reach to that stage, then course is completed. Before that, never stop practicing it. With your confirmation, Lahiri Mahasaya achieved that stage. Paramahansa Yogananda will not write anything incorrect. His aim was not to get name and fame and get money or position. His aim was serve nation, humanity. Therefore, what he has written about Lahiri Mahasaya is completely true. Lahiri Mahasaya was able to transform himself in the form of invisible medicine, in the form of invisible tool, in the form of visible medicine, in the form of anything. As Mahaavatar Baba was able to transform himself in the form of golden palace in Himalaya, where Lahiri Mahasaya got initiation, then he was able to transform himself in the form of food what Lahiri Mahasaya wanted to eat, in the form of water what he wanted to drink. From where it came? It is consciousness of Mahaavatar Baba manifested in the form of golden palace, in the form of food, in the form of water. Therefore, I request all of you, never leave practice. Practice it again and again, with all joy, with all effort. Not a single day absence. Try to learn Kriya Yoga to such depth that you should be able to practice all the time in lying position, sitting, standing, working. And you are very fortunate, the whole place is created for you. This place is not created to do any commercial business, that rent out the place and get the money, or charge the people who are joining here, never. This place will remain non-commercial up to the end. And I will pray to my masters, my Guruji, Swami Yukteswar Giri and all masters, to make a law. If I am gone, it should serving in the same way all the time. Therefore, this is very, very important for all of you. Try to use this facility to learn Kriya Yoga with all devotion. With this brief message, let us inhale twice through the nose and stretch all parts, and exhale twice through the mouth and relax all parts. इसी संदेश के साथ हम नाक से 2 बार में सांस लेकर के अंगड़ाई लें, फिर मुंह से 2 बार में हम सांस निकाल करके ढीला करें। पैर की अंगुली से लेकर के हाथ की अंगुली तक पूरे स्वरूप में एकाग्रता बढ़ाएं। दाहिना पैर बायां पैर खड़ा ढीला करके अनुभव करें। टर्न्स रिलैक्स, राइट एंड लेफ्ट लेग। हाथ को ऊपर नीचे करें, मूव आर्म्स अप एंड डाउन। पैर की उंगली से सिर तक सबका स्पर्श करके अनुभव करें कि सर्वज्ञ तत्व, सर्वशक्तिमान तत्व, परम शांति का ये साकार रूप है। विद द हेल्प ऑफ पाम, try to touch each and every part, starting from head, proceeding towards toes of the feet. With this thought, it is a visible presence of complete unit of knowledge, power, bliss and immortality. Let us bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation. हम क्रिया योग ध्यान में अपनी भक्ति को नमन करें। अब हम बैठेंगे। नाउ वी विल सिट। आंखें खोलें, ओपन आईज।